TNT track package style roof spoiler in gloss black is a sleek and aggressive addition for 2015 to 2023 Dodge Charger owners looking to enhance their vehicle's aerodynamics and appearance. Designed to mimic the performance-inspired look of the high-performance SRT models, this roof spoiler is perfect for those who want a more aggressive stance while maintaining factory-like fit and finish. This roof spoiler adds a subtle yet impactful upgrade to the rear profile of your Charger, enhancing both style and aerodynamics by reducing that drag. This gloss black finish offers a high-end and sporty look that's going to complement factory body lines and is going to pair well with other exterior modifications. Made for a flush but contoured fit, this spoiler integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's roofline for a clean, factory-like appearance. It's also lightweight yet very durable, giving you long-lasting performance without any unnecessary weight. The easy, no-drill install makes it a hassle-free upgrade, which we're going to show you here in a minute. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this spoiler is both lightweight and impact resistant, capable of withstanding those daily driving conditions. The pre-applied gloss black finish is going to be UV resistant, preventing fading and maintaining its deep, polished look over time. The design is going to follow the exact curvature of the Charger's roof, ensuring a precise fit while maintaining a factory-style aesthetic. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $100 price range, which is a pretty affordable price point for something that's going to give your Charger both form and function benefits as it adds to a custom look. Installation is going to be quick and simple, so we're giving this one an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this on your Charger in just 20 minutes or less of your time. The spoiler attaches using high-strength automotive-grade adhesive, providing a secure hold without damaging the factory paint. For the best results, just make sure you clean and prep that surface, dry it really well before application, and follow the proper curing time for the maximum adhesion. So for this install, the only things you're going to need are some cleaning solution, a nice clean towel, and some scissors to cut that automotive-grade adhesive tape to the perfect size. Now let's see exactly how that process goes with one of our install videos from an American Muscle customer.
Okay, so step one here, the car has to be clean and free of dust and debris. It's going to ride along this top edge. So I have the alcohol wipe here that I'm using. It's leaves the surface a little wet, but it dries in seconds. So you know you're going to be clean. I'll come back and I'll swipe with the other side just to pick up the debris. Okay, I'll flip this in half and use the other side of the alcohol wipe. You want it as clean and free of dirt and any kind of dust on there as possible. I'll come back, I'll wipe with the other side. And you can see with the air in the loom, it's drying almost immediately, so we're good to go there. First, keep a pair of scissors because sometimes they're extra, sometimes they could use not enough room. See if you have to make sure it doesn't make another debris and tape if you don't know really how it works. You're going to take that tape measure. Now, whatever edge you touch, you've already compromised that glue. So that first inch right there is probably not good. And that's fine, okay? So I'll start my tape here just by putting it in the corner here, okay? And then pulling it out straight. Then you'll just cut your end off at each corner, okay? What I'm going to do is, you see we have plenty of tape here. So I'm going to cut it a little bigger. And I'm going to come right along the side of here. Again, clipping the bottom off. I'm going to go with another piece here. Come in here. Yeah, this one came out nicely. You see how I have it there? And then what I'm going to just do is put it right there. Okay, so what we want to do here now is manage to just peel off that red layer, like the red layer. to the corner. I'm gonna pull that one off. Once you grab the corner, now that we're ready to do this, helps with two people. So I have my son here with me, helping me out. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come here, I'll open doors so that I can step here, and now I can get really to the top of the car. And what I'm gonna do is kind of just fix the one corner into place, right where you want it, on that line, okay, and start to lay it down. Now, if you don't have two people, you might want to get on your car yourself, but I don't think that's necessary here. And what I'm doing is I'm just making sure very slowly, I'm applying no pressure. I'm just putting it in place right now, okay? And I'm hitting that rubber line. I'm making sure that she's all lined up. Making sure that we are just there. See, so you can just flex it and put it where you need it to be. Now, immediately when you push this down, push right on that 3M tape. When you know you're in there, you push right on that 3M tape, and she's gonna grab, okay?
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the SRT track package style roof spoiler in gloss black for the 2015 to 2023 Dodge Chargers. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.